Hey everybody! Well, it's the last week of Wonton Wednesday, and I want to thank everybody for being a part of it. If you've been part of the collaboration, if you've been following us, watching us, thank you. This has been so much fun. Coming up with new ideas and combining new things and trying new things, and that's what this has been all about. And I've loved hearing the comments because that really has been a big part of this, is thinking differently and trying new things. So I want to thank everybody for your participation and your support. Unfortunately, Diane the Canning Nana had some stuff go on in her life and was not able to participate. And Coco Noel, I'm not sure if she's going to or not. I'm hopeful. I hope they get something up tomorrow. That would be awesome and I would love it. But we have had a lot of fun. Judy at Our Wandering Footprints and Teresa at Teresa's Stay-at-Home Life. We've had so much fun. And we've explored so many new ways to use these things that it's wonderful. I'm loving it. So tonight, I am going to make cheesecake egg rolls. And I'm going to use the egg roll wrappers because I could use the wontons. They're pretty much interchangeable, except because of size. But if I were to do the wontons and these are fried, I'm worried they might cook too fast and that the filling might not hold up. So I am going to use the egg roll wrappers and I think it's going to be wonderful. And the recipe calls for a strawberry dipping sauce, but you know, strawberries really aren't in season right now and I don't have any, but I got to thinking what would go good with cheesecake. And again, one of our favorites is salted caramel. We absolutely love it. So we're going to make the cheesecake egg rolls with a salted caramel dipping sauce. Yummy. It just sounds so good. So let's get started. All right, so the recipe calls for 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. And this recipe came from delish.com. So we're going to see how this comes out. So it's the 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese softened. And I've got it pretty soft. It says you can use a hand mixer for this, but you know what? It doesn't seem worth the trouble to me because we're just going to combine it. It's not really beating it a lot. So we're going to add half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of sugar, just a pinch of salt, and we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I'm just going to mix this up. And again, if you've got a hand mixer and you want to do that, that's fine. This just didn't seem worth getting out my big KitchenAid for, even though it's not that difficult to get out, but it didn't seem to make sense to me. So I'm just going to combine these. All right, I think that's doing pretty well. I'm going to scrape this down and make sure that everything is combined really well, because I've got a little bit of sugar that's sticking to this. We want to make sure it's all thoroughly combined. All right, that looks good. Now we're going to get these in the egg roll wrappers. In the meantime, I'm going to heat up about an inch of oil in a frying pan. I'm going to use vegetable oil tonight just to change it up. I still like using lard, but tonight we're going to use vegetable oil. Okay, so while that's heating up, I'm going to get a little bit of water for sealing these. All right, so I've got my mixture here. I've got my egg roll wrappers, and I'm going to take, I don't know, about 3 tablespoons of this filling and put in each of these in kind of a diamond shape. Okay, let's see if you can see that. I know, weird lighting, but it's kind of late in the evening, so it's dark. All right, so now we're going to wrap these up. And you can use egg wash. I've found that just dipping my fingers in water seals it wonderfully, so that's what I'm doing. And you just fold it towards you. Hold it down, fold each end in, and then you're going to just roll it up towards you and seal it. That's all there is to it. We'll do one more, and then I'll finish these up and I'll show you how to finish them off and then to eat them. Shayna and Brian are waiting, kind of impatiently. All right, so let's get that wrapper. Okay. I mean, how easy is this? It really has taken me no time to put it together. This would be great for a party or football games or whatever. If you need just something that is really tasty but easy to put together. So again, I'm making like a little envelope. Roll it toward me and seal it. All right, so I'm going to get the rest of these made, and then I will bring you back to show you when I fry them. All right, so I'm just going to carefully lay these in the skillet full of oil. And these are great. They only take a minute or two. It's just very quick. And like anything, if you're frying, you want the oil hot enough so that as soon as you put it in there, it starts to bubble and cook. Because if it's not hot enough, then that's when it gets greasy. And this filling doesn't need much time, and all we're trying to do is get the egg roll wrappers to get them nice golden brown and crispy. And they're almost there. Doesn't that look beautiful? Okay, I'm going to take these out and then I'm going to get the rest of them done and then I'll bring you back. All right, these are ready and we're going to give one a try. They're still a little hot, but I've let it cool just a little bit. And I've got my salted caramel sauce here. So we are going to give this a taste. And now I think it's going to be so good. Look at that. Just lightly crispy on the outside. And then you have the cheesecake filling on the inside. Oh, these are so good. Look at that. Oh yeah. Messy, tasty. Oh, these are a keeper. Well, we're going to go enjoy these cheesecake egg rolls. I want to thank you for stopping by Vickie's Country Home. And go check out my 2,500 subscriber giveaway, and I'm giving away an awesome prize. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk again soon.